How to embed an audio file to your Google Drive. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step what you need to do to actually embed an audio file. So basically, I'm just going to be using this audio file that I just recorded. It's nothing. It's just random noise. But I'm just going to be using it as if I'm going to embed it to our Google site. So what do we actually need to do? We will need to actually upload it to our Google Drive first. So just go ahead and open up a new tab and just go to Google Drive. And then from here, you would want to just go ahead and upload the audio file. Now, this is a necessary step because we want to actually get the embed code from Google Sites. Otherwise, we won't be able to do so. So once we actually restart, okay, it's this one right here. I don't know why it was down there. Anyway, so what we need to do is just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to it. And then we want to click on share. And then just click on share again here. And then we want to just make sure that the access is actually accessible by anyone here. And this is going to be step 1. And then we can just go ahead and open it up. We can just pause it for the time being. And then click on the three dots on the top right, and you want to open a new window. I don't know why they don't have the option right there, but we actually have to do so to actually get the code. So from here, from this new window, you want to again click on the three dots, and then here you can actually go ahead and be able to embed item. It should be at the bottom here, so you can see embed item. Click on that, and then from here you can just see the code. So we want to basically just copy the entire code here. Just Control C, or you can just right click copy to do so. Once that's done, you can just click on OK, and we can just exit out of our Google Drive here. Now in Google Sites, we go back to Google Sites. We want to click on the insert option here, and we want to click on embed. And then from here, you want to make sure you select embed code, and you want to paste the code in. Now the width and height could be a little bit problematic because it's quite bigger than what we actually need it to be. You can play around with the size here, but you can just go ahead and do something along the lines of 300, and here maybe you can just make it 80 or something. We can try this out, and once you're happy with this, you can just go ahead and click on next, and you can actually see the file here with an audio format, and you want to just basically click on insert, and we should have it right here. We can just go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. And we can obviously move it around, and it should be fully functional. So once you actually publish it, which you should be able to do here very easily, click on publish. And then if you just go ahead and view our site now, we should have this option here, which is our audio. And if we click on it, it should work. Now, you may not hear anything right now because I have muted the system sounds from my recording, but it is actually working. So yeah, this is pretty much how to embed an audio to your Google Sites. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.